Hello, wonderful viewer. You're welcome to my channel. Yep, you are welcome to the channel. So, we're still talking about generating random numbers, and this particular lesson deals with generating random whole numbers within a range. All right, so instead of generating a random whole number between 0 and a given number, like we did before, we can generate a random whole number that falls within a range of two specific numbers. To do this, we'll define a minimum number mean and a maximum number max. Here's the formula we'll use. Take a moment to read it and try to understand. So math the floor, we already know what math the floor does. Yeah. And then math the random, we know what this does, but then this part says max minus mean plus one plus mean. All right, so if you are someone that has some kind of allergy to mathematics, or you're scared of maths, or you're you hate maths, just calm down, all right? Calm down wherever you are. Take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out. This is nothing, all right? This is not difficult. There's nothing to be scared of. It's a simple formula, and trust me, it is absolutely interesting. There's nothing harmful about this. Just calm down, calm down. You meet sort of some sort of these things from time to time in your programming journey, and I want you to just take a deep breath. Don't be scared, all right? Don't be scared. Yeah, so we can continue now. I hope you're really calm now. So match the floor, match the random time. So this is supposed to be like your maximum number. So let's say you want to like generate a number between 3 and 6. So this should be 6. This should be 3, and then this should be 3. So max minus mean plus 1 plus mean. So here we're asked to create a function now, or create a function called random range, which we already have here. I believe we ought to just edit it. That makes a range, that takes a range my mean and my max and returns a random whole number that's greater than or equal to my mean. Okay, so it takes a range my mean, it returns a random whole number greater than or equal to my mean and less than or equal to my max. So both maximum and minimum numbers are inclusive, all right? Okay, so let's do that quickly. I think I could just copy this out, but I would like to type this because it's interesting to type it. Match the floor, match the random, yeah, with a bracket, times, open another bracket. We have my max. You can see them up here. My max minus my mean plus one, and then right here we have plus me. Okay, actually plus my mean. That was my bad. So let's console the log this. Because console the log is our favorite line of code and should never be forgotten. So let's create a number. Alright, generate a number between 2 and 8. See, we have 4. Let's see. 2, 6, 8, 7, 6, 8, 6, 8, 5, 4. So none of them exceeds 8 or goes below 2. I want us to take a little more, take a closer look at this and see how it works. So match the random generates 0 between 0 and 1, 1 exclusive, and then whatever it does, it whatever it generates, it multiplies it by my max minus my mean plus 1, which is like 8 minus 2 plus 1. 8 minus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So it multiplies it by 7. And then let's say, okay, we have something like math done random 0.11, then it multiplies it by 7, right? Which is 0.11 times 7. Let's try that. Okay. I wish I could make it give me the same number. Okay, so whatever was here, you multiplied it by 7, and that's how it got 2.632 and all that. And then the next thing it did was to, get the math dot floor of it, round it down, right, to the nearest whole number and gave it 3. And then after that, it added the minimum value. And that's what made it to be 6. All right, so I believe this is gonna come in very handy. All right, there's no need to. It's not a big deal. It's gonna come in very handy, and I believe that whenever you need it, even if you don't remember, you could easily just check. Oh, hello Google, how can I get? How can I generate a random whole number between this number and this number? But it's important to know. All right, mark the floor, mark the random times my max minus mean plus 1 plus mean. So let's run our test. So I don't go on and on. And yeah. Oh, perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.